Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are looking for a good quality Bluetooth earbuds on a low budget, and if its budget is under $20, then you are watching the right video. In this video, I have fixed the earbuds considering the quality, durability, demand, customer rating, and order etc. I hope you like my earbud reviews and you get the best quality earbuds you want. You may request that the video be watched in full, as the video is larger. All the links of the earbuds are below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So, let's get started with the video. In at number 5, the best earbud is FMJ Bluetooth Touch Control Wireless Earbuds. Considering its cheap price, quality, durability, customer rating, and customer demand, I have put this earbuds at number 5 on my list. The best wireless in-ears under $20 that I have tested so far are this earbuds. They have a simple design with small earbuds that make them fairly comfortable, especially for those with smaller ears. They're very portable, isolate reasonably well and are fairly easy to use, which make them a decent. Recently this earbud price is $9.80, some outstanding features of this earbud like: the both ears can be used at will, solve the tedious experience of true wireless single and double ear switching. It comes with a large capacity charging compartment, which can charge your mobile phone anytime, anywhere. The charging compartment supports wireless charging. This earbud has LED charging compartment, power display, charging compartment and headset power at a glance, grasp at any time. So that you are no longer awkward to use. It supports intelligent noise reduction, smooth and not stutter, comprehensively improve the sound quality of the call, and achieve efficient communication through binaural calls. Its low power consumption compared with the previous generation, Bluetooth 4.2, the connection speed is faster, the speed is increased by 2 times, and the game is smoother and more acidic. In number 4, the earbud is 8D stereo earbuds with power bank. If you have a particularly noisy commute, and are looking for ways to bring a bit of peace and quiet to your travels without spending a fortune, get the 8D stereo earbuds with power bank. They're easy to use wired-in ears, that have great passive isolation, to help you block out the hustle and bustle of the outside world a bit. Recently this earbud price is $11.83. About 3,897 people reviewed this earbud. More than 7,033 people ordered this earbuds. Overall I have been highly impressed with the build, sound quality and comfort wearing, especially considering its budget price. Some standard facilities of this earbuds. It has wireless charging case with LED battery display, can be used as an emergency power bank for your phone. The 2 earbuds can be used for one device in the same time, also can be used with a single headset connection. Equivalent to having 2 separate headphones. The Bluetooth 5.0, height compatible, can be connected with all Bluetooth device such as mobile phone, laptop, iPad. It supports automatically power on and connect to the device, when take out from the charging case, automatically power off and charging while put in the charging case. In this earbuds added a new power display screen, charging cabin, earphone power can be seen clearly. They are support in Windows, iOS, Android, Siri, binaural call, single ear call, HD call etc. In number 3, the earbud is S11 wireless earbud. Considering its reasonably priced rate, excellent durability, client score, and customer name for, I have positioned this earbuds at number 3 on my list. If you're looking for a good truly wireless earbuds, you should truly check out S11 gaming earbuds, because it's cheaper and better, in my opinion. S11 got up to 5-hour battery life on one charge, about 120 hours standby time with mobile phone, and Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connection, less than 2-hour charging time, 3,500 mAh battery capacity and minimum 10 meters signal distance. Recently this earbuds price is $12.10, so, I count on that in this charge. This earbuds may be very appropriate and powerful. S11 have some outstanding facilities such as: its wireless Bluetooth headphones deliver a high-quality audio listening experience with clarity, and a smooth bass response for enjoyment of all styles of music. Lightweight and great for sports, walking, running or a favorite activity. It has Bluetooth 5.0, energy saving, improved data transfer, and less interference. The long-lasting rechargeable battery, up to 4 to 5 hours of play-back time and super long standby time. Built-in microphone allows these headphones to act as a headset for hands-free calling with mobile devices. It supports Chinese and English voice switching, left ear or right ear display Chinese voice prompt, double-click the corresponding headset to convert back. You can short press the touch button to answer the call when you call, short press the touch button to hang up the call. This earbuds have wireless charging function. You can use wireless charging directly, as long as you have a wireless charging charger, you can directly put the headset charging compartment on it to charge. In number 2 the earbud is AWEI Q19 Wireless Mini Earbuds. The housings of this earbuds have an hybrid design between and in-ear headphones. The AirPods resemblance can be seen by the extending bottom section of the earpieces, while the fit, nozzles and placement is exactly like a classic in-ear headphone. This earbuds have technical specifications and astonishing, up to 220 hours music time, more than 30 minutes charging time, 2600 mAh battery, 42 decibels sensitivity, and 20 to 20,000 Hz frequency response range etc. Recently this earbuds price is $17.78. Overall, I have been highly impressed with the build, hi-fi stereo sound, and battery life, especially considering its budget price. This earbuds there are some standard packaging are. The earphones can automatically switched on and connected instantly when it is removed from the charging box, simplifying the complicated matching steps, putting it back into the charging bin, it will shutting down and charging automatically. It has 2600 mAh high-capacity charging box. It can not only recharge the earphone, but also give mobile phones an emergency and get rid of the embarrassment of losing power. It has one-button control technology, multifunction in one button to achieve play, pause, connect headphones, power on and off, etc. Ergonomically designed, the depth of the ear is just right and comfortable fit, it's easy to wear all day, and it won't hurt for a long time. Introducing a new 10mm custom hi-fi full drive unit with a Palomar diaphragm to release the stunning sound quality of the sounds of the day, bringing you to the music hall. This earbud is IPX5 Life waterproof, support rain outdoor sports, fitness sweat. Bluetooth 5.0 chip with low consumption makes the connection easier and faster, the signal more stable and the transmission faster. It allows you to enjoy wireless freedom without worrying about listening to music and talking intermittently. In number 1 the earbuds is AWEI 6D Dual Mic Noise Cancelling Earbuds. Thinking about its cheap charge, high quality, sturdiness, patron score, and consumer call for, I have positioned this earbuds at number 1 on my list. The balance of quality build, comfortable wear, nice design and very balanced high sound quality with the right amount of bass, makes this number 1 choice for best cheap earbuds. AWEI is a true wireless earphones headset, almost like Apple's AirPods, but it fits perfectly into my budget. But what exactly hooked me, and why these headphones are worthy of your attention, in a similar situation? In this earbuds you can get 6 times of charging, 300 hours of standby time, 3 to 4 hours of talk time, auto pairs of ear tips, user manual etc. Now this earbud price is $18.52, AWEI have some standard packaging are. The true wireless stereo Bluetooth earbuds with touch control, multi-step strict design, Bluetooth 5.0, clear sound, IPX4 waterproof. It has high definition and sensitive decoding, 6mm metal cavity full frequency moving ring speaker unit, wireless listening to outstanding sound quality, give up wired earphones and enjoy the wireless shocking stereo sound. Its lossless noise reduction HD voice call, closed sound chamber with HD microphone, you can bring high-definition sound quality experience whether you are listening to songs or talking. It has powerful large battery capacity listen to music anytime. The portable charging case can also provide an additional 6 times of charging, 300 hours of standby time, 3 to 4 hours of talk time. Don't forget to subscribe and I request to share this video.